Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn Up English. I'm Jake.
And I'm Emma. It's so good to see you all again.
Today, we have a fun and super useful lesson for you. We're going to learn how to talk about what you like to do, your hobbies.
That's right. When you meet new people, this is one of the first questions they ask. What do you like to do in your free time?
It's a great way to make friends. We will teach you simple questions and simple answers. You will learn to say, I like to read, or I enjoy playing football.
Everything will be slow, clear, and easy to understand, we promise. So stay with us until the very end for our quiz and challenge.
And before we start, if you want to improve your English every week, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell.
Okay, Jake, are you ready to learn about hobbies? Let's go!
Let's start with the questions. How do we ask someone about their hobbies? Emma, what are two simple ways?
Good question, Jake. The most common way is, what do you like to do?
Simple and clear. Let's say that together, everyone. Repeat after me slowly. What do you like to do?
And another great option is to talk about free time. Free time is time when you don't work or study. The question is, what do you do in your free time?
Let's try that one too. What do you do in your free time?
Excellent. So, two ways to ask. Now, let's hear a short conversation between our friends, Paul and Emily.
Did you hear that? Paul used the question perfectly. What do you like to do?
Now let's learn how to answer. There are two very simple ways to tell someone what you like. We use the verb like and the verb enjoy.
This is the easiest way. We say, I like to plus a verb. For example, I like to read. I like to play football. I like to cook.
Notice that little word to? It's important. I like to cook. It means cooking makes me happy.
Let's practice three common hobbies. Repeat with us. I like to listen to music. I like to watch movies. I like to take photos.
Good job. Remember to say that too clearly. The second way is with the verb enjoy. Enjoy means like very much, but the grammar is a little different.
When we use I enjoy, the next verb must end in ing. We call this a gerund. It looks like this. I enjoy reading. I enjoy playing football. I enjoy cooking.
Let's try those three again with enjoy. Say them with me. I enjoy listening to music. I enjoy watching movies. I enjoy taking photos.
That's right. So, you can choose. You can say, I like to swim, or I enjoy swimming. Both are great.
To make your English sound more natural, you can add a little detail. Why do you like it? Or when do you do it?
For example, I like to read. I can add details. I like to read. I read for 1 hour every night before bed.
Ooh, that sounds relaxing. I enjoy listening to music. I listen to music when I travel on the train.
Let's practice a conversation with a little more detail.
See how simple that was? They used enjoy painting and like to run. They also added a detail. I paint every Sunday, and I run for exercise.
Let's focus on the running example. I like to run. Say it 3 times. I like to run. I like to run. I like to run.
Now, let's focus on the painting example. I enjoy painting. 3 times. I enjoy painting. I enjoy painting. I enjoy painting.
Let's talk about a common mistake. People often forget the "siz" when talking about another person.
Ah, yes. When we talk about he, she, or it, we need an "es" on the verb like or enjoy.
Listen closely. I like to swim. She likes to swim. I enjoy cooking. He enjoys cooking.
Let's try it with a name. Jake, what does your friend Mike like to do?
Mike, he likes to play video games. He plays every Saturday.
Great. And my friend Sarah? She enjoys going to the gym. She goes 3 times a week.
Notice that sound at the end. Likes and enjoys. This is important for simple present tense.
Before the review, let's learn a few more common hobbies. Try to repeat the phrase with I like to or I enjoy.
Gardening. I enjoy gardening. Working with plants and flowers. Hiking. I like to hike. Walking in nature. Like in the mountains. To travel. I like to travel. Going to new cities or countries. Board games. I enjoy playing board games. Games like Monopoly or chess. Exercise. I like to exercise. Going to the gym or doing sports. Good. Now, let's go back to Paul and Emily one last time. Paul is talking about his weekend. That sounds like a great weekend. He used both structures perfectly. I enjoy playing tennises, and I like to watch sports.
Time for a quick review. We learned how to talk about hobbies.
We learned two main questions. What do you like to do? What do you do in your free time?
And two main ways to answer. I like to plus verb. Example. I like to cook. I enjoy plus verb. Ing. Example. I enjoy cooking.
And remember the s for he divided by she. She likes to read.
Let's test your memory. Jake, I will say a verb and our viewers must say two sentences, one with like to and one with enjoy.
Perfect. Let's try the verb dance.
Ready? The answers are, I like to dance. I enjoy dancing.
One more. The verb study.
The answers, I like to study English. I enjoy studying English.
You are all doing so well. Give yourselves a pat on the back.
You did a fantastic job today. Learning to talk about your hobbies is a big step. It helps you connect with people.
Absolutely. Now, the real learning happens when you practice. So, we have a challenge for you.
The viewer challenge. Tell us about your favorite hobby in the comments below. Use one of the new phrases you learned today.
You can write, I like to your hobby, or I enjoy your hobbying, and tell us one detail.
We will read your comments and maybe even correct a few sentences.
If you found this lesson helpful, please click that like button to help other English learners find us.
And, if you haven't already, subscribe for more simple, clear, and fun English lessons.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. You're doing great. Never stop practicing.
See you next time. Bye!